Hello everyone, today we're at Devon Vintage Car Club, Buckfastleigh train station, and I have Connie with me. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and have a look at some of these lovely, lovely cars. Immensely happy. So to start off with, we have a Sunbeam Rapier. This is lovely, very, very clean. Connie's looking awful, by the way. So very, very nice, lovely and shiny, very clean. It's very, I thought that was black, but it's not. It's a very, very, very deep green. Console. Is that a console? No, it's a Corsair. Why am I doing that? Why am I forgetting my cars? That's a Corsair estate, absolutely lovely. Cross between like the rear end of it is like a Mark II Cortina, and we have a Anglia. I do like this car, very, very nice indeed. Everyone goes on about Harry Potter, but this car was all around way before Harry Potter. Next up, wow, that is big. That is a 1924 Crossley 196 Tourer. That thing is huge. And I'm liking the canopy. That's really nice. That looks like it's been remade, so it's more modern, and it's pretty waterproof. And I can get in a gap there, so I go and look inside. Nice. Aha. Oh, let's have a look at the steering wheel. Sorry if you can't hear me very well. There is weather going on today. We've got this gorgeous little Austin Healey Project Heinz 57. Nice. Tidy little MGF. That's very clean. I'm liking that indeed. And it's got a creamy leather interior. Lovely. Fantastic colour. Oh, got a BMW coming in. Z3. Nice little colour, the gold top. Very nice. We have Big Cat Jaguar. I've seen this car before. So which car is this then? I do like these. 3 litre X-Type. I do like those. Next up, I think I know this car. 3.5 litre P6. No, P5B. Lovely in there. It's very rare I film with my GoPro doing car shows. I think this is actually easier because you get to see more with the GoPro. Lovely. Another Anglia, but this is a Super. And that is super. It's super to see a super. Well, look, windows open so we can get a good shot inside. Lovely. Very, very nice indeed. Okay, one for Becca over here, and one for staff, of course. We have a lovely, lovely Morris Minor Traveller 1000. Red interior, absolutely lovely. So tidy. That is nice. It looks like it's got a fairly modern gear stick, but I could be wrong. It's a 5-speed, so I reckon that's been toyed with. Well, that is ever so clean. Absolutely lovely. Next up, I don't know what this one is, because back in the day with older cars like this, they never had the badges on the back. It was always on the bonnet. That is lovely. That's an Austin. Old auto jumble thingy there. Austin of England. What is it? Oh, it's on the dash there. It's on the bumper even. 951 Austin A40 Devon. Very nice, and it's in Devon, so that's good. We have something coming in. What is this? Look at that, lovely. Beautiful. It's a Singer. Very nice indeed. Let's have a look at this. Oh, that sounds nice. Listen to that. Little singer, lovely. I can feel that from here. Next car up from the Austin, we have an MGB rubber bumper with a higher suspension, nice decals on the side, lovely silver paintwork, and we've got a steam train going by. MGB W reg, so that's one of the later ones. I still think actually these are growing on me. We've got a little Spitfire K registration, so 1970 at least. Look at that in there, lovely, very nice. That is so cool, I do like that. And we have one of my favourite cars ever, Austin Allegro, in a very nice shade of bronze with a fabulous velour interior. Look at that, fantastic. Part of the Allegro International. My other car's an Austin Metro, very cool. Arthur Daly. But that is a 1977 special. I'm going to throw my guess out and saying that's a Series 2. Alex, tell me if I'm right or wrong. And I think I must have filmed this one at the 50th. So, yeah. Next one is my friend's car. This is Jasmine's car, Brownie. Look at that. How cool is that? She's a V8 3.5S, and yeah, this car is fabulous. Love it. Takes a lot of money to drive a car like this. I drive a classic. Very cool. So they will be here. Well, Jasmine will be here somewhere. I've got to try and find her. But yeah, fantastic car. Very imposing. Quite chunky, but small in comparison to modern cars. Next up, we have a little Mazda. It's got the same thing with the paint, with that going on like my car, but limited edition. I like the silver top on it. It's a very nice little MX-5 or Miata, whatever you want to call it. Now we have one here, a little 100. I was going to buy one of these. It's a Kensington 100 Kensington SE, little Rover 100. What was Metro basically underneath it still is. Very cool little car. Cool indeed. I do like that. It's a nice colour as well. So we've got a bit of Japanese going on here. So we've got a Mazda on an E-reg. So it's 1987, 86 possibly. My motorcycle was an E-registration. My little Yamaha that I had, GXL. So what is it? I'm sure I filmed this before. It's a 626 Executive 2 litre. That's very nice indeed. I do like that. So currently that's all we have at the moment in the show, and I'll come back to you when we've got a bit more. Austin Allegro VDP coming in. Actually no, it's not an Austin Allegro, it's just a VDP. Fantastic. You won't find anywhere. A doggo in the back. Coffee at the train station. Got some more of this in here. Oh my word, we got a V8 75 Tourer coming in. That's beauty. Absolute beauty. Listen to that. Very nice indeed. A lovely yellow E-Type has turned up. Soft top. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful car. With lovely wire wheels. Here, sat all on its lonesome is a VP 1500. Little Allegro. What a lovely little motor. This one came in a while ago. I didn't get a chance to have a look at it. There's a lovely little looking dash in there. And it's got the seats in the back You've got the tray tables in the back. It's a little 1500. Lovely colour. Little GB letters. It's missing the 2 zeros off the 1500. It's a really tidy example, and I quite like it. It's got Vanden Pla or Plas, depending on who you want. Little Owners Club badge there. That's a fantastic looking little car. I would like one. Very nice. I just noticed it's got Bagpuss in the back. How cool! The E-Type has gone, and I think this is an E-Type. This is a Magnate, a little MG Magnate. So I think this has just arrived. What a fabulous little car! I love the two-tone from the bonnet to the body, and it's got the octagon, the MG octagon dashboard. I'm sure I saw another car recently with that, the octagon shaped top of the dash. Beautiful little car. It's got very, very patinaed and worn seats. Oh my god, I used the word patina. The back of the seats there. Can't really see it very well. The back of the seats are worn quite badly. Old AA map in the window. Yeah, I think this is a Magnate, but there's nothing written on it. Beautiful little car. Oh, everyone's leaving. That's nice. It's very cool. I like your little slot mags. Very nice.